Okay, I'm gonna call Cat Country or whatever.
Cat Country on 8.7.
It doesn't matter what the number is, and I'm gonna tell them where Cody lives. Cody Keenan, yes, Cody Keenan, faggot. Oh, sorry. And I'm gonna tell them that we're having a charity fest down there, and they all have to come. What did they ask for the address? 1607.
So you can't say that.
Here's WABB request line. It's not busy. Sure. Okay, they're always busy. What about 96.1 The Rocket? Oh, it's hubby. That's his name. Someone call. Hello. This is her. Who is this?